Okay, once we find the x and y intercepts, then we can move on to even or odd functions. Remember, for an even or odd function, we simply find the exponents. We have a 4, a 5, and a 2. We want the largest one. The largest one is 5. That is an odd number, so this is an odd function. Easy as that. Odd functions, we know that the ends of our graph move in opposite directions. Okay, so that's how the ends of our graph will point. If we're looking at this, we look at all of our exponents. We have 4 of them. Our largest exponent here is an 8, so that means this is an even function. So the ends of our graph will point in the same direction. Either both will point up or they both will point down. And just a hint, our largest exponent has a negative in front of it for the leading coefficient, so this one will definitely, both ends will point down. And that's all. Sorry I had to go over to a second video. I just couldn't type fast enough. Good luck on your test.